Today I want to talk to you about basketry and what I look for in basketry. So I look at every basket in the same way. There's some things that are very important that you want to take in when you're deciding, okay, well, how much should I pay for this basket and why is it good or why isn't it good? In this case, this is a nice Pima basket, about 1890s. One of the things you want to do is look at the rim, and this is the rim, and you want to see if there's any breaks. Often there will be breaks in baskets, and that hurts its value. So if it has a lot of breaks or any breaks, that may be very critical to what you want to pay for it. And you need to ask the person that is selling it, what about the breaks, and did you take that into consideration? Now, in a basket like this, which is Pima, you can feel that it's soft, so the breaks are a little less likely because it doesn't have rods. Those grass bundle foundation also tells me this is a Pima and not an Apache. So by looking at the piece, I can tell, one, does it have any breaks? Two, what is it made out of? In this case, it's Willow, Devil's Claw. And if you looked inside where the basket, the warps of this basket, they would be grass bundles. That tells me what it is. So inspection for damage, inspection for type of yarns, type of, in this case, it would be a basket, so types of different reeds and things that would have been used. In this case, Willow and Devil's Claw tells you what it is. Now, also little things. So somewhere in here, there's a little basket. You'll see a little area. Oh, here it is. That is a little burn. This may have been used. In other words, this basket could have easily been used to have hot nuts in it or something like that, and there's a little burn. It doesn't really bother me, but I want to take it into consideration when I'm buying it. I also want to look and see, is there any fading of the basket? In this case, there's really no fading. It's got a nice, strong image. Is it geometrically symmetrical? Yes, it looks very geometrically symmetrical. Then if you turned it to the side, you want to see how deep it is. In this case, it's a very deep basket. The deeper the basket generally is a little less valuable by collector's standpoint versus it's more of a flat tray. This one is not so deep that you can't make it where you could put it on the wall, or in this case, a nice stand. So anytime you're looking at an object that's a basket, you want to know condition, what it's made of, is there any little imperfections in it? And finally, how tight is the weave? In this case, it's very tight. The tighter the weave, the longer it took to make the basket, and the more valuable it's going to be. We need your support for the Medicine Man Gallery channel, so make sure to click the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video, which we do every morning on Wednesday and Friday. See you soon.